guys, welcome back. Mr. Zern here. Let's take a look at the program you are creating today. Hello there. What is your name? So I want you to do a user declared variable that's asking for the user's name. I'll enter Adam. And then from there on, I want you to concatenate the user's name into all future user declared variables. Hi, Adam. Pick a number 1 to 10. All right, so I'm going to say 4 for this time through and enter that. Adam, what should I buy at the store? Eggs. Adam, what should I buy at the store? Milk. Adam, what should I buy at the store? How about cereal? Adam, what should I buy at the store? How about salt? That's kind of lame. All right. Then it says, Adam, what's the most important item on that list? Select the corresponding number between 1 and 4. All right. So hopefully you appreciate this. All right. So eggs is 1, milk is 2, cereal is 3, salt is 4. Now, think carefully about Python. Like, what number is eggs really? Like, I'm going to say the most important item on that list is milk. Let's say it's milk. So I'm going to put 2. Now, if you think about what we know about Python and index numbering, and let's just see what happens here because I've done something special in the code, so it's going to be correct. It says, Adam, you selected milk as the most important thing I should buy. So think about that. So just in there, I just, yes, I entered 2, but then in the variable, I subtracted 1 from it so that Python is selecting the one that I need. And then ultimately, I want you to print the full list. Adam, you want me to buy eggs. Adam, you want me to buy milk. Adam, you want me to buy cereal. Adam, you want me to buy salt. You got it, Adam. I'll grab my keys and go. All right, so we can kind of see how that program runs through. Let me just run this again real quick. I'll do a much shorter one. Adam, pick a number. Let's say 2 this time. What should I get at the store? Eggs. What should I get at the store? Bread. What's the most important thing? Pick 1 to 2. I'm going to say 4. There is no 4 here. Try again, and select the corresponding number 1 to 2. I'll say 3 again. Says, hey, I can't do that. I'll say 1 this time, which is the most important item on the list, which is eggs, I'm going to say. And it says, Adam, you selected eggs as the most important thing. Okay, and then we can see it kind of runs through the list of what it's going to buy, and then a little goodbye statement. You got it, Adam. I'll grab my keys and go. All right, so there's a good example of what I'm looking for in this this list index there assignment. Be sure to double check all the requirements listed in Schoology so that you've got everything that you need. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Goodbye.